what's up? Hey guys, this is me, Leonard, and welcome back to our YouTube channel's Pamilyang OFW. So guys, I'm on my way now to Gold Brand International Shop.
Thank you.
Surprise! I will do a short review about these 4 bottles, which is tequila. It's all about tequila for tonight. Disclaimer only guys, I'm not a hard drinker, I'm not a pro, but I will try my best to give you an honest feedback. I hope you will enjoy watching this video, especially for those tequila lovers. So, we will try which one is the best. Okay, let's start guys. Shout out to my wife, she is so supportive for everything that I do. So, she prepared all of this. To highlight with you, joining me, the Rooster Rojo Tequila Blanco. So, here it is. Let's try it. Let's go. First tequila brand. As expected as well, tequila taste is always like this. It's like bitter, sour, and it's like giving you a line inside of your throat. It's hot, but it's delicious. So next is the brand XXX. Sorry guys on my reaction because I'm not really used to drink all of this, but I'm just being honest to you. Both tequila so far are good. I like it. Next is this the brand XX. Oh, may tunog. Gusto ko yung tunog na yun, Let's try this one. Let's smell first. Smells like vinegar. It's not good, so I don't know what's next. So guys, last but not the least, we have the Rooster Rojo Tequila. For those who tequila lovers, this is produced and distilled in Tequila, Mexico, made in blue agave. And it is cooked and steamed for 10 hours. So I'm so excited to try this tequila, guys. So, okay. Last but not the least, the Rooster Rojo Tequila Blanco. So actually, the flavor was perfect. It was not that too strong. And this is only 38% alcohol content. So, it really suits my taste. It really suits my preferences. So it is smooth to drink. And I think I want more. Right? Do you agree, guys? Cheers, guys. Cheers for Rooster Rojo Tequila.